Kho-Kho is an outdoor sport involving athletic abilities, flexibility, stamina, agility, and alertness of players. The game is played on a rectangular open field 29 meters long and 16 meters wide. Two poles 1.20 meters high are fixed at either end on the central lane. Please follow the given diagram for other details of the measurement. The officiating body includes one referee, two umpires, one timekeeper, and two scorers. The match comprises of two innings. Each team in an inning is given 9 minutes for chasing and 9 minutes for running. The game is played between two teams consisting 12 players each. 9 players play the game at a time and the rest 3 are the substitutes. The match begins with a toss between the captains of the two playing teams. The winning captain may choose either the chasing or the running option. In the chasing team, all 9 players play at one time. The one who is the active chaser stands at the pole at the start of the game. Rest 8 players sit on the central lane in the boxes made with intersecting horizontal and vertical lines. They sit in the boxes with their faces facing opposite directions alternatingly. The running team is divided into 3 files or groups having 3 players each. First file enters with the starting signal of the referee. The consecutive files enter only when all 3 players of the previous file have been declared out. The match begins at the blow of a whistle. At this time, the first file of the runners enters the play area and the active chaser tries to catch the runners. Observing the position of runners, the active chaser may also signal the other chaser. For this, the active chaser must touch the back of the team member, provided his or her back is facing the active chaser. And he also calls out loudly, Kho. After being touched at the back, the chaser who is given Kho rises swiftly. The new active chaser now tries to catch the runner and the one who gave Kho sits in his or her place. While chasing, the chaser has to move in one direction only and cannot cross the central lane. However, the runners are free to change their direction. The chaser can change the direction of movement in the free zone only, which is the rectangular area beyond the poles. If the chaser touches the runner, he or she is given out. Runner is also declared out if he or she steps out of the field. The entire file of 3 players is given out if they do not enter the field at the signal of the whistle. After being declared out, the player is supposed to sit in the lobby according to his or her file order. The substitution can be done according to any of the following situations given below. First, for runners, before giving the order of the runners. And for chasers, chasers can be substituted in the game even when it is in play, but at the end of an inning only. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the information. Keep playing and enjoying Kho-Kho.